Window replacement is a significant home improvement project that can enhance your home's energy efficiency, aesthetics, and value. However, to ensure a smooth and successful window replacement process, proper preparation is key. Whether you're replacing a single window or an entire set, taking the time to prepare your home for the project will help minimize disruptions and ensure the work is completed efficiently. Here's a guide to help you prepare your home for a window replacement project in Sumter. Plan ahead and set a timeline. Before the work begins, it's essential to set a timeline for your window replacement project. Speak with your contractor about when they plan to start and complete the job. Make sure you have a clear understanding of the schedule and prepare your home accordingly. In Sumter, the weather can be unpredictable, so it's important to discuss any potential delays due to rain or extreme heat with your contractor. Being proactive in this phase will allow you to plan for any inconveniences in advance. For example, you may need to temporarily adjust your routine to accommodate any disruptions to your daily activities, such as noise, dust, or restricted access to certain rooms. Clear the work area. One of the most important steps in preparing your home for window replacement is clearing the areas around the windows. Remove any furniture, plants, or decorative items from the immediate vicinity. This will not only give the contractors easy access to the windows but will also help prevent damage to your belongings. If you have window coverings, such as curtains, blinds, or shades, be sure to remove them in advance as well. If you're planning to replace your window coverings after the new windows are installed, you may want to consider using temporary coverings until your new ones are ready. Additionally, be aware that replacing windows may generate some dust and debris, so covering large furniture with drop cloths or plastic sheets is a good precautionary measure. Protect your floors and carpets. Although window replacement professionals are trained to work with care, it's always a good idea to protect your floors and carpets. Lay down drop cloths, plastic sheeting, or old towels around the work area to prevent any dust, debris, or accidental scratches from damaging your floors. This is especially important if your home has hardwood floors, carpeting, or tiles that you want to protect. If the window replacement is happening on multiple floors, consider covering staircases and hallways as well to prevent any mess from spreading through the home. Ensure easy access for the contractors to perform their work efficiently. Ensure that they have clear access to the outside of your home. If your windows are located in hard-to-reach places, such as higher floors or behind shrubs, trim any trees or bushes that might obstruct their access. For ground-level windows, make sure the area around the windows is free of obstacles like garden tools, hoses, or vehicles. If your contractor will be using a ladder or scaffold to replace upper floor windows, it's important to make sure the area around your home is cleared and safe. Check that the driveway or street is clear of parked cars so the contractors can park their vehicles and equipment close by. Alert your neighbor. A window replacement project can be noisy and may disrupt your neighborhood, especially if you live in a residential area in Sumter. It's a good idea to inform your neighbors about the upcoming work. Let them know the expected start and finish dates of the project, and if necessary, warn them about any potential noise during the replacement. This will give them a heads up and help maintain a positive relationship with your neighbors. If you have any shared walls or windows that are close to neighboring properties, this is an excellent opportunity to communicate with your neighbors about possible dust or disturbances. Prepare for temperature fluctuations. While the windows are being replaced, your home will be temporarily exposed to the elements. Depending on the time of year, this could result in temperature fluctuations inside your home. In Sumter, summer months can bring high heat, while winter can be cold. If possible, plan your project during a time of year when the weather is milder to avoid extreme temperature variations. Keep a portable heater or fan available for comfort, especially if you're replacing windows in rooms that are frequently used. Be ready for occasional drafts as the old windows are removed and the new ones are being installed. Budget for unexpected costs. While you may have already received an estimate for the window replacement, it's always a good idea to budget for any unexpected costs that may arise during the project. Issues such as rotting frames, damaged walls, or underlying structural problems can lead to additional repairs. If you're working with a contractor, discuss any potential problems that may be uncovered and ask for a plan of action in case this happens. Conclusion. Preparing your home for a window replacement project in Sumter doesn't have to be complicated. By planning ahead, clearing the work area, protecting your floors, and ensuring easy access for contractors, you can help ensure that the project runs smoothly. Communicating with your neighbors and being prepared for possible temperature fluctuations will also help minimize disruptions during the installation. With the right preparation, your window replacement project will be a positive and rewarding experience that adds both comfort and value to your home.